My name is Jason Becker. I am the manager of the welding program here at Valencia's Advanced Manufacturing Training Center. During the summers, I would work with my dad digging and shaping swimming pools. Watched him cut a piece of chain one day, and I was really interested in how he just cut steel with fire in such a precise manner. So the following year, I signed up for welding classes. So I joined the Marine Corps basically right out of high school. Luckily, I had a great recruiter who guaranteed me either the position of a combat engineer or a welder. So I served from 2001 to 2005. I got to do a couple deployments, one to Kuwait, one to Iraq. It was an awesome, life-changing experience. During that 4 years, I think I grew up really fast. Teaching veterans makes me feel a little bit different because I'm able to give back to my brothers and sisters that I fought alongside of overseas and stateside.
So my name's Nelson Cardoso. I served 6 years active duty time with the U.S. Army. I got out active duty, and none of that transitioned really to the outside. And I remember I called Jason up, and I was like, hey, I don't know what to do, man, but I know I like welding. Jason comes in, he's like, yeah, we have this robotic welder. I'm like, that's so cool, I want to see this robotic welder. Like, everybody wants to see this. And then you come check it out, and you're like, damn, that's pretty cool.
Having veterans in my program is a great experience because, I don't have to tell them, hey, this is what time you need to be here. Here's what you need to do. I can simply assign a task and they go to work. And I think that sets an example for some of the younger people that don't have that discipline built into them yet.
With him, it feels more personal, and it's like a comfortable relationship because he's also a veteran, so he'll throw in some like military lingo every now and again, or just a different way how to look at something. For me, it's this feeling of gratification you get when you put two pieces of metal together and you're like this wizard and you just fuse it and use all the proper techniques and you see this finished product and you're like, I made that. I can do something. I'm still worth something.